Hey guys, Johnny here from TechMajesty.com. Today I'll be showing you how to remove the pattern lock, pin lock, fingerprint lock, or any other type of lock on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Now, if you have a lock on the phone, then you know that there's no way to enter the phone, as you can see here. Now I'm going to show you a way to remove this lock completely and get full access back into your phone. So the first thing we will do is go ahead and hold the power button. Then we will click on the restart. Now before I do that, let me go ahead and tell you exactly how to do it. So after you click on the restart, you're going to hold the volume up button, the Bixby button, and the power button all at the same time. Okay, let me show you how. So as soon as you see that screen, hold all three buttons together. And keep holding it until you see the little Android come up on the screen. And that's the little Android. So as soon as you get to this screen, now you're going to go ahead and navigate this menu by using the volume up and down buttons, and you can go ahead and choose an option by using the power button. So we are going to go ahead and choose the wipe data factory reset option. Click on yes. And now you will see that it says data wipe complete. After that, you will go ahead and choose the reboot system now option. And after you do that, the phone is going to go ahead and reboot to the setup screen. So let's go ahead and give it a few minutes. Alright, so we are now back on the setup screen, so let's go ahead and set up this device. And as you can see, we have full access back into the phone. So guys, it's as easy as that to go ahead and remove the pattern lock, pin lock, fingerprint lock, or any other type of lock on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. If this video helped you, please drop us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.